It was a matter of coming up or thinking about all the different things that over those 36 years that I've always wanted. But I also want to make sure that you guys see the value in your business on the tools that can be used, and if they are tied together, how they fit together, and make this a much more comprehensive method of doing things. I love AI wherever I can put it. The problem is, in a lot of systems, AI is being patchworked into things, and you use it here, you use it there, and then you have to cut, copy, paste, and do different things to share information back and forth. This is going to be a kind of a comprehensive look of what SAM ultimately comes down to. And we're going to be talking about what I call my core strategies, my 4 core pillars of how you do business. And it's all incorporated into the software: conversions, operations, retention, and experience, and how it really is a cycle. It's a cycle of process that you're doing, and how it relates to not only your business as a real estate agent, but virtually every business that deals with people. We're going to really dive into this a lot. Instead of getting generic automated email type content, that you can utilize the information that's inside of SAM to really personalize and make things look good and sound good in your voice.